As a designer, one is always learning. I try to keep it timeless. I want houses to look like they were old, even if they're brand new. It's about a loving house. It's about luxury and being looked after. I like to see interiors that have joy. Your house should feel loved and abundant and comfortable. It should be somewhere you really want to spend time. In this course, I'll take you step by step through my design process, from concept right through to installation, to create elegant interiors. It's much easier to make the mistakes on paper than to make them in real life. You can layer and layer and layer, and the professionals do that. When you're decorating a living room, there's this sort of dynamic tension between doing something extraordinarily formal and it being incredibly comfortable. We like symmetry. We like a composed wall, beautiful crown moldings, wood ceilings, and it's actually very easy. We are inspired by other designers, by other centuries of design, by other decades of design. We look at magazines, we look at Pinterest, we look at books, we see ideas that we love, and then we make them our own. Whether you're doing a single room or an entire house, if you're doing it yourself or working with a designer, my hope is there's something in this course for everyone. Design interiors for entertaining. With me, Amanda Lindroth.